just how you want it.
Welcome to Skyhouse South. As you can see here, this is the type of door that they'll be having at your unit. Okay, so as you walk into your unit, this is a studio unit at Skyhouse South, located on 106th Street Northeast. This is located near Piedmont Park in Georgia Tech. As you walk in, there is a foyer or a hallway. To the left-hand side, there is a stackable washer and dryer there. You'll walk into the open space where you have your kitchen set up here. They do have double-sided doors for your refrigerator, and it does come with an ice maker and water maker. The entire unit is completely electric. You do have a nice view in the studio apartment. They do have the studio that they show fully furnished to see exactly how your furniture will fit inside of your unit. As you walk over to the left side of the bed, there is a glass mirror that opens to a closet. Now, the closet isn't the most spacious that I've seen, but it is a really nice closet and it does have shelving pre-made for you. As you move over to the left, you'll walk into the bathroom where you can see the mirror, excuse me, and also you have the shower and tub combo. From there, it's not a lot of space in the bathroom, but it is a decent sized bathroom with plenty of cabinetry. So we'll walk around, and at this point, we'll go ahead and look at the washer and the dryer that comes with the unit. These are really nice washer and dryers that have multiple cycles on them, and each unit has its own washer and dryer. And from there, you'll walk back out the door. So here we have the pool area. This pool area does go to 3 feet and 6 inches. It does have lovely views with outside seating, and you can see the gym from the pool view. You also have a lounge area to the left hand side if you're entertaining guests. Right here, you have the grill area and their entertainment area where you can come out, sit, take a look at the morning sunrise. It is all on the rooftop. There is a lawn there that you can see. Also, there's more sitting area with the fireplace. Also to the left, there's more grilling space and more seating space for you to entertain your guests, whether it be morning or noon. They also have an entertainment area to the left-hand side with multiple TVs that also have a fireplace that comes out. As you can see here, this is the view. This is the mailroom area where your mailroom would look like, and they also have Luxor packages rooms.